Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and insights to help you navigate life's challenges. Today, we'll be discussing a topic we all encounter at some point: how to make tough decisions. Whether it's choosing a career path, making life-changing choices, or even deciding on small everyday matters, we've got you covered with a step-by guide to help you make those difficult decisions confidently. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any future helpful videos like this one. Let's begin with these 10 steps. 1. Define the decision. The first in making any tough decision is to clearly define the problem or choice you're facing. Ask yourself, what decision do I need to make, and what are the factors influencing it? This helps you gain clarity on what you're dealing with, making it easier to find potential solutions. 2. Gather information. Now that you have a clear understanding of the decision, it's essential to gather relevant information. Research, seek advice, and learn from others who have faced similar situations. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make an educated choice. 3. Identify your values. Making a tough decision often involves aligning your choice with your values. Take some time to reflect on what's most important to you and how each option relates to those values. This will help you eliminate choices that go against your principles and narrow down your options. 4. Weigh the pros and cons. List down the potential positive and negative outcomes of each option. This classic technique can provide a visual representation of the advantages and disadvantages of each choice. Don't forget to consider both short-term and long-term consequences. 5. Trust your intuition. Sometimes, intuition plays a significant role in decision-making. If after analyzing the information and weighing the pros and cons, you still feel strongly about a particular option, trust your gut feeling. Intuition can often lead you in the right direction. 6. Seek external perspectives. Talking to friends, family, or mentors can offer fresh perspectives and insights you may not have considered. However, remember that the final decision is yours to make, so take external advice as supplementary, not absolute. 7. Embrace uncertainty. It's essential to acknowledge that making tough decisions can be nerve-wracking, and uncertainty is part of the process. Understand that no choice is entirely risk-free, and sometimes, you must take a leap of faith. 8. Set a deadline. While you don't want to rush a significant decision, setting a reasonable deadline can prevent overthinking and help you move forward. Deadlines can create a sense of urgency and encourage you to make a choice when you feel ready. 9. Make the decision. After thoroughly considering all the factors, it's time to make your decision. Remember that there's no guarantee of a perfect outcome, but trust that you've done your best with the information available. 10. Learn and adapt. No matter the outcome, view the experience as a learning opportunity. If things turn out as expected, great. If not, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and use that knowledge to improve future decision-making processes. Conclusion. Making tough decisions is undoubtedly a challenging aspect of life, but with the right approach, you can navigate through them effectively. By defining the problem, gathering information, identifying your values, and weighing the pros and cons, you'll be better prepared to trust your intuition and make a well-informed choice. Remember, it's okay to seek external perspectives and embrace uncertainty. Lastly, set a deadline, make your decision, and use the experience to grow and adapt. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.